Adventurous kids explore with education and learning what a wild life is in the Everglades. I want to explore the Museum of Discovering Science. What plants do butterflies like? I want to know about Key West. Adventurous kids, learning and fun. Adventurous kids!
Today we are going to tell you
about radiation. Radiation is a transfer of energy through waves, electromagnetic radiation, or fast-traveling particles. Particulate radiation. Radiation can be in the form of heat, sound, and light. Radiation can be felt or seen like light or detected through special instruments like X-ray. Radiation from a hot object is shorter and more intense than radiation from a cooler object. The sun, earth, soil, microwave, television all expose us to radiation. If an element or isotopes of that element are said to be radioactive, it means they give off some form of radiation.
electromagnetic radiation comes from atoms, the building blocks of all matter. Some particles that make up atoms have an electric charge. The motion of these charged particles produce energy that can be described as traveling as waves. These waves combine electricity and magnetism. They can travel through empty space like in outer space. They can also travel through air. Even solid substances such as glass, through empty space, the waves travel at a speed of about 186,282 miles per second.
From longest to shortest wavelength, the types of electromagnetic radiation are radio waves, infrared rays, visible light, ultraviolet rays, X-rays, and gamma rays. Radio waves are used for sending signals, including television and radio broadcasts. Short radio waves, called microwaves, are used to cook food in microwave ovens. Infrared radiation, or heat, is given off by warm objects. Infrared radiation from the sun heats Earth.
Unlike electromagnetic radiation, mechanical radiation cannot travel through empty space. It can travel only through a substance such as air, water, or solid objects. A common example of mechanical radiation is sound. Sound is produced by the back and forth motion of a vibrating object. This motion produces sound waves that travel away from the object. Sound travels more slowly than light does. This is why during a storm the sound of thunder follows a flash of lightning. An earthquake produces another form of mechanical radiation. The shock wave created by an earthquake travels through Earth and causes the ground to shake.
Nuclear radiation comes from the nucleus, or center, of atoms. It is produced when the nucleus changes in some way. The nucleus of some types of atoms is unstable. The unstable nucleus can naturally change into another type of nucleus. When it does this, it shoots off nuclear radiation in the form of small particles or gamma rays. Atoms that give off radiation in this way are called radioactive. Nuclear radiation carries a lot of energy, so it can be dangerous.
Cosmic rays are a type of radiation made up of tiny parts of atoms sped through outer space. Cosmic rays can come from the sun, but most come from farther away in the galaxy. Some cosmic rays travel almost at the speed of light. Because they move so fast, they have very high energy. Scientists study cosmic rays to learn more about the makeup of the galaxy.
Radar waves. This kind of radio wave is used to detect airplanes in the sky and ships in the ocean. Radar is also used in changes in weather. Much exposure to radiation causes cancer as radiation changes cell structures our bodies. Thank you for watching this.
Adventurous Kids episode.
Stay blessed.
What did you learn today?
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous kids!
What was the most interesting fact?
Adventurous kids!
Adventurous Kids.
Adventurous kids!
Yeah!